Hello everyone and welcome to my first video for 2025. A very happy new year to you and thank you for joining for this presentation. I am sorry I was not able to bring some videos for the last few weeks, but now I am back and I will try to be regular. And in 2025, at the starting of the year, we have some news from Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, and so let's discuss that. The first things first, that I wanted to highlight in this particular presentation is that Alberta has officially received its nomination numbers, its nomination allocations for 2025, and that number stands at 4875. I know you people must have heard this number from different sources, but just wanted to put it out there. So let's look into the first important aspect of the current processing information. Alberta has received 4875 nominations for 2025, but what it has not declared is how this 4875 number will be allocated across its different pathways and streams. So we don't yet know out of 4875 how many allocations will go to, say, a Alberta opportunity stream or a dedicated healthcare pathway stream or to the tech pathway or any such pathway for that matter. So we will have to wait for that information to come in. Till that, we will go through the other details that are available till now. So the last processing information declared by Alberta Advantage Immigration Program was on January 23rd, which is a few days back. And in this particular declaration, what they have declared is the current processing status of each of the streams. So let's look into each of the stream. First, the most popular stream in Alberta, the Alberta Opportunity Stream. Here you would see they have already issued 175 nominations in like 3 weeks of 2025. So 175 nominations have already been issued and they still have 2279 applications to be processed. Again, as I said in my earlier part of the video, this is only the applications to be processed. We yet don't know how much allocation is allotted to Alberta Opportunity Stream or any stream for that matter. So Alberta Opportunity Stream has issued 175 nominations. Similar to that, Rural Renewal Stream has issued 23 nominations and the Tourism and Hospitality Stream has issued less than 10 nominations. Under each of the streams, you would see there are certain applications to be processed and that is right now undergoing. What important is that under the dedicated healthcare pathway stream and the Alberta Express Entry stream, there is no nominations issued yet. Okay. So it's only been 3 weeks. We will see more numbers coming in throughout the year and I will be there taking you through all those numbers. Now, let's look into the dates. I think most people would be interested in how the backlog or the dates of each of the stream looks like. So if we look at Alberta Opportunity Stream, we would see that they are still assessing applications from June of last year. So June of last year is like almost 7 months backed up. Rural Renewal Stream, they are doing applications from January of 2024, so like almost a year back. But these are the people who are not yet working in Alberta. So this could be people who are applying from outside Alberta or outside Canada who may satisfy the requirements of Rural Renewal Stream. However, if you have a work permit and that is expiring in 2025 or later, your application is much more current. For those kind of applications, the cutoff date right now is June 5th, 2024, which is still good 7-8 months backed up. Tourism and Hospitality Stream is being processed from mid-November of 2024. Dedicated healthcare pathway from December of 2024. So both of these streams are kind of less backed up, like almost a month or 2 months backed up, but still not as bad as the popular streams like Alberta Opportunity Stream. Express Entry Stream. In Express Entry Stream, if you look at the Express Entry Stream, Tech Pathway has around 260 applications to be processed and it's backed up from April of 2024. So 9 months almost. Healthcare, as I said, is in December. Law enforcement is very less number in 2025 also. So 13 December, and priority sector draws is November 22nd. So if we look at the express entry stream, I see only the tech pathway being backed up a little bit. Most of them are still in a 1 month or 3 months video. Okay, so that's the stream wise performance, the stream wise numbers that have been declared in the latest draw. Entrepreneur stream is also declared, but as we all know, I don't discuss entrepreneur stream in this particular channel. Good. So now let's go into the next aspect, which is the expression of interest data. Expression of interest, as we all know, is a new scheme introduced by Alberta later last year, where each individual applications were placed in a pool of applicants, and then from there Alberta would do periodic draws. Expression of interest numbers. Right now, the total expression of interest in the pool is 44,000, and more than half belongs to the Alberta Opportunity Stream. This is again very much expected. Alberta Opportunity Stream is one of the most popular stream in Alberta. If you are in the pool for Alberta Opportunity Stream, you have a quite a healthy competition. Beyond Alberta Opportunity Stream, the next stream that has most numbers looks like is the tourism and hospitality stream, followed by rural renewal stream, then by the priority sector, and then the tech pathway. Strangely, family connection and occupation in demand still has quite a significant expression of interest, which is around 2206. But as we saw, family connection and occupation in demand were kind of dwindling down in 2024 itself. But let's see how the allocations for 2025 looks like, and then we can make our decision or inferences as we go ahead. So that's the information on the expression of interest pool as on January 23rd, 2025. Now let's go into the last part of this discussion, the fourth and the last part of this discussion, which is the draw information. In this particular processing page, in this particular sections, you would see the draws of 2025 as and when it would happen. Right now, there is no draw that has happened for 2025. As and when it happens, this information would be displayed in this particular section. If we are interested, you can go into the Aaip draw system for 2024 and then understand how the understand how the draws for 2024 happened. This is the good information. This can give you a good insight on how the uh, draws were happening in 2024. But we have to remember the 2024 draws were happening against a pool size of almost more than 9,000 applications, right? But in this particular year, the number of allocations has drastically reduced. It is coming down to 4875, so almost half of what was available in 2024. So any numbers that we see in from 2024 will or may not give a correct picture for 2025. Like see here, Aaip issued 9,942 nominations in last year, which is as per which includes a little bit of overage as far as the federal government allows to individual provinces. Okay. So at the starting of the processing information, they have given a 2024 summary. If you want, I'll just pause here for a minute and then you can have a look into a summary of 2024. A good information to have, a good information to read. But again, if you are somebody who is looking forward to 2025, this information may not give a true picture or a true projection of what is going to happen in 2025. I hope you guys got some information on this particular video. I will try to be more consistent on this channel and bring you more informative video. Let me know what you want to discuss, what you want to hear, what you want me to cover in my next videos, and I'll respond to everybody on the comments, and I will see you in the next presentation. Thank you so much.